The iPhone 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be quite the leap in comparison with the iPhone 14 Pro Max, with multiple new features that will remain exclusive to the largest and most expensive upcoming iPhone. 4 of the most anticipated devices of 2023 will be showcased at the event. The iPhone 15 series, consisting of the iPhone 15, iPhone 15 Plus, and iPhone 15 Pro, but chief and most interesting among those will be the super premium iPhone 15 Pro Max, which sadly might get slightly delayed and released later in October instead of alongside its peers. Here are the most important 15 Pro Max features that you need to know about. First, the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be getting a new USB Type-C port instead of Lightning. This has been pretty much confirmed by the most credible leakers and insiders like Mark Gurman and Ming-Chi Kuo, as well as Apple executives themselves. The change was forced by EU law that technically gives companies until the end of 2024 to adopt a common charging port standard, potentially allowing Apple to still come up with a Lightning-enabled iPhone 15 series, but Cupertino chose to go with a newly enforced USB-C port instead. However, not everything has a silver lining to it. Apple is also rumored to be limiting what cables you might be able to use on the 15 Pro Max, as it could feature an authenticator chip that might either reject non-Apple USB-C cables or charge the phone much slower than an original one would. Moreover, in a very important hardware differentiation, the 15 Pro Max will likely support USB 3.2 speeds, while the iPhone 15 and 15 Plus might only support USB 2.0. Next, expect a refreshed design with thinner and curved bezels. Design is one major aspect of the 15 Pro Max is shaping up to be quite different from previous Pro Max generations. Size-wise, rumors suggest that the 15 Pro Max will be shorter, narrower, but thicker than the 14 Pro Max. However, you might find it hard to notice the changes with the naked eye because we're talking about very tiny differences here. Some of the latest design rumors about the 15 Pro Max call for an improved frontal design with super slim bezels. Leaker Ice Universe has it that the iPhone 15 Pro Max could employ the thinnest bezels on a modern phone, measuring at just 1.55 millimeters, which would easily dethrone the current record holder, the Xiaomi 13 with its 1.81 millimeters display bezels. In mid-May 2023, Ice Universe corroborated the earlier leaks about the 15 Pro Max design changes by uploading a screen protector on Twitter, depicting just how thin the device's bezels will likely be. The device might adopt a refreshed design. According to some leaks, the most premium upcoming iPhone could score a side frame that curves slightly to the back of the phone, somewhat emulating the side profile of a MacBook Pro. This will be a major change from the existing iPhone industrial design language that mostly relies on an edgy industrial design. While it looks good and feels premium, using any of those devices without a case on isn't comfortable as the edges might cave in your palm. A slightly different rear design could address that and make the device a much easier device to handle. The display will remain flat though. Next, the frame of the 15 Pro Max will possibly be made of titanium for weight savings and extra rigidity. Titanium has already been used on the Apple Watch Ultra, so chances are both premium iPhones in 2023 could adopt the high-quality material. What benefits does titanium bring over, say, stainless steel or aluminum? For starters, it's lighter than stainless steel but with equal strength, not to mention that it looks just as premium thanks to its polished finish. It's not a fingerprint magnet either. So it seems that the device could come with a titanium build that will elevate its design to the next level. Next, a 3nm Apple A17 Bionic chipset, the first 3nm chipset on a smartphone. Hardware is yet another area in which Apple will most certainly continue to differentiate between the Pro iPhone's models and the rest of the iPhone 15 series.